Sir, tomorrow Post Malone is coming to Guwahati. It's a big day for Assam Concert Economy Initiative. Can you shed some light on it?
This entire program is being sponsored by outside government agency. Initially, we thought that government will put money, but now government basically because of the response from various private sponsors, there was no requirement for Assam government to put money. Maybe a small amount we have to put, but majority fund has been raised through sponsorship. However, we are not that young, so we are not going to see the Post Malone. But definitely for the first time, people from America is coming, people from UK is coming. We used to go to Shillong, but this time people from Shillong, Nagaland, Itanagar, they are coming. So after 4-5 this kind of show, I think Guwahati can emerge as a hub for concert economy like Shillong. Today Shillong has firmly established itself as a good center for concert economy. Assam, it is a beginning, but miles to go.